Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I want to give you a tour of 2761 Cadiz Court. This is an incredible property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1558 square feet. The home is coming fully furnished. You could use it as an Air BNB or VRBO, it'd be perfect for it. It's a split floor plan, gorgeous backyard. Let's go in and take a look around. All right, this home has this great decor, furniture, real Southwest look. Living room has the tile wood floors, nice fireplace. It is a nice open concept to the kitchen and dining room over there. Standing in the primary bedroom now. Nice spacious room. You got a ceiling fan, vaulted ceilings, does have the plantation shutters. Opens up to the primary bathroom that is a jetted tub, does have a shower as well, granite countertops, and a nice spacious closet. The home has a nice split floor plan. Both guest bedrooms are nice size, has ceiling fans and vaulted ceilings. The guest bathroom has a tub shower combo with quartz countertops. The backyard is absolutely gorgeous. It's fully landscaped. You have these incredible palm trees and artificial turf. The back patio is fully tiled. Again, the property is coming with all the artwork and decor. Alright guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 2761 Cadiz Court. Again, an incredible home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished. The house is absolutely amazing. The windows have been replaced with Pella windows. It's refrigerated air. There is a water softener, 1558 square feet. And then you have this absolutely stunning backyard. So give me a call, Ron Bruder at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.